Alright, here it says to write the equation of the line, or to write an equation for the line shown here. Well, remember, anytime you have to write an equation for a line, you're going to use the form y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. This is the guy we go to when we're trying to figure out what the equation of a line is. And to use this guy, we need to know the slope of the line, and we need to know a point on that line. We designate that known point as x1, y1. Well, we've got this line drawn for us. They didn't tell us the slope of this line, but they did give us these 2 points. One point is x0, y7, and the other point is x is 7, y is 2. So we do have 2 points, and with 2 points, remember, we can find the slope on our own. So our first step is to find the slope of the line. Remember, that's m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we just plug in our 2 points. And again, remember, it doesn't matter which one we label as which, so we could do 7 minus 2 for our y2 minus y1, and then do 0 minus 7 for our x2 minus x1, and that would give us 7 minus 2, which is 5, over a negative 7. So that just means that the slope is a negative 5/7. Now keep in mind, I said it didn't matter which order we did that in. If we had done this 2 minus 7, we would have done it that way, just to show you, 2 minus 7, and then 7 minus 0. That would have given us a negative 5 over positive 7, so we got the same slope, no matter which direction we did the subtraction. Alright, so we've got the slope. Now back to this guy. Remember, if we know the slope, which we now know, and a point, then we can plug those into this form of the line. Well, we do know a point. In fact, we know 2 points on this line. We only need 1, so let's use the one that's easiest to work with, which would be 0, 7. So using y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, let's plug in the things we know now. We know y minus y1, and the y1 is 7, is equal to m, and we just found m. It's negative 5/7 times x minus x1. Well, x1 is 0. So when we simplify that, when we simplify that, we get y minus 7 is equal to, well, we distribute, well, heck, x minus 0 is just going to be x, so it's negative 5/7 times x. And now we add 7 to both sides. We get negative 5/7 x plus 7, right? We just said plus 7 to this side and plus 7 to this side because we wanted that to go away. And so when we finish that off, we've got y is equal to negative 5/7 x plus 7, which is the answer we're looking for.